My name is Andrew Whelton. I'm a professor of civil, environmental, and ecological engineering at Purdue University. So when wildfires enter communities like they did in Maui, they destroy buildings, vehicles, boats, and other infrastructure materials that release all sorts of toxic chemicals into the air and the soil. We know beyond a reasonable doubt that the soil is now contaminated, the water is contaminated, where the harbor is, as well as the air is contaminated. So we know that based on prior fires that happened, and then simply by seeing what happened, we know that that's to be true. Once the search and rescue operations are finished, the debris is something that the agency is going to start dealing with. And so they're going to physically cordon it off to prevent it from flowing into the ocean or waterways, into the streets. But they're also going to then start removing it physically, putting it in dump trucks and possibly barges and ships, and taking it off the island. The debris removal is going to take months. After the Marshall Fire in Colorado, they moved 300,000 tons of debris over a 4-month period. And it didn't start until month 4 of the recovery. So that debris is going to be there for a long time. And people need to be prepared for that. What they truly need to focus on now is stabilizing themselves, their family, so that they can kind of square up their lives and try to resume some sense of normalcy. So after disasters like the Camp Fire in Butte County, California, where you saw the town of Paradise basically get destroyed, they have rebuilt 5 years later. Now, it's 20% of the houses that used to be there, but they have plans to continue to rebuild. So there is hope and there is a future for the community, but it's going to take time.